Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Hello everyone, it's Fun Day Monday, another week and another MSTR Bitcoin buy. So let's review it together, guys. So they purchased 3,273 Bitcoin for 77.9. And of course, the most important thing is how did they do it? Like I expected, they did it with 100% MSTR ATM, so selling MSTR stock. And of course, even more important, was this dilutive or was this accretive for us MSTR shareholders? The answer is it was accretive. You see that the yield, the BTC yield year to date went from 9.5 to 9.6. Right? So if we go on the dashboard, you see that now for every MSTR share, there is 213,644 sats. So if we actually go to this tracker right here and we change it from day to day, hopefully my face is not blocking anything here. We see that last week it was at 213,597. You guys remember that? Now it went to 213,644. So this buy was 100% accretive. Not much accretion, but still accretive anyway. What does this mean if you're wondering? Well, it means that even if you did not buy more MSTR, MSTE, if you hold MSTR or MSTE or MSII, however you're getting your MSTR exposure, you literally, it's like you have more Bitcoin now. So that's basically what it means, right? This company is all about increasing Bitcoin per share. So I'm filming this on a Monday. And Bitcoin dipped a little bit here, although it seems like MSTR is slightly recovering a little bit. No. Just like Sarah Connor when the Terminator comes out of the elevator. No. Remember that? Anyway, so yeah, so he bought, they bought more Bitcoin and I bought more MSTE, of course, more MSTR shares. So another 600 shares today, guys, at $4.13, bringing my total to 37,800 shares at $8.20. Well, let's just say $8.27. Now there will be a full portfolio unveil Wednesday, everyone, and you will see you'll see 37,200 because I filmed the portfolio unveil before Monday. Just a caveat there. So. In terms of any news, well, I think there's the big Bitcoin conference this week. I'm sure there's going to be some announcements there, and I'm sure some of them are going to be really, really good, but the Bitcoin price doesn't move because Bitcoin just does exactly the opposite of what you expect. It's just the way it is. Stretch is still under $100. It's crawling up there though, 99.50. So I expect, again, once it gets closer and closer to the ex-dividend date, which is going to be mid-May, it's going to pass 100 and they're going to start able to issue more stretch shares and buy a crap load more Bitcoin with that. So if you look at the treasury, this website here, you see obviously strategies number one. All I see is little green arrows everywhere. So people are just buying more and more. These companies are buying more, I guess. Even Strive now, which is like a baby MSTR, a really, really, really baby MSTR, which also has their own version of stretch with SATA. Looks like they bought more Bitcoin as well. So they were at 13,000 last I remember. Now they're at 14,000. They're actually number 9, right behind Coinbase. So you see that here, SATA reaches 100 and acquires an estimated 68 Bitcoin. And of course, the big news was that MSTR now holds more Bitcoin than BlackRock's IBIT ETF. So they hold 818. If we look at not that it really means much, I guess, but it's just fun to see. If we look at IBIT, they own 812,276. So it's been going up and up and up. There's just more and more Bitcoin out of circulation, guys, especially with the ETF. You don't really know because technically you could buy and sell the ETF shares whenever you want, but MSTR is not selling their Bitcoin. So in summary, another 3,273 Bitcoin completely out of circulation. The purchase was accretive to shareholders, more Bitcoin per share, just a little bit more, not dilutive like we saw. And yeah, another 600 shares of MSTE. This is my weekly purchase of $2,000 to $2,500 a week. I'm going to continue that for the foreseeable future and hope you guys have a great week. Stay tuned for the full portfolio unveil Wednesday. In case you missed yesterday's video, make sure to check it out. Nice PII podcast with some of the top PIIers in the space, with Jordan and Perry and Gary Gill and Candace as well. And yeah, take care, everyone. Have a great week.